Reminds me of 007 a little bit. Now, I gotta tell you, his wife noticed my tie tonight in the parking lot. So I have a certain admiration for him. He picks them well. Mr. Leigh Adams tonight is gonna have a conversation. Lee, what are you gonna have a conversation with us about?
You.
You? Me?
You.
I feel important already. Come on up.
Who likes to hear somebody just talk about themselves?
Oh, yeah.
Why?
Couldn't resist.
Why? You don't, do you?
No.
Why don't we?
Who cares?
Who cares? Why else?
They're not interesting.
Me.
They're not interesting. It's not about them.
What about me?
They're for what?
They're boring.
They're boring. Okay, we're going to talk about you again, and hopefully add a little bit more impact, a little bit more information so that you, the audience, Michael Ozier, Michael Owens, can connect with your audience. You feel how warm it is? Do you hear the buzz? The little hum? You don't hear that? Okay. I'm just trying to connect with you. Using you. Trying to add a little humor for you. Darren LaCroix and Craig Valentine, both former world champs, believe that the most important word is you. Also, using somebody's name. You notice how Roz said different individuals' name? Before you come up here, you as a speaker should know your audience. Get to know their names, know a little bit of information about them, so when you're presenting, you can talk to Sandy. And if I ask a question to Sandy, he knows I'm talking to him. It makes you feel special. It helps you feel like you're being spoken to across the table. The first 1 minute of the speech was given to Darren LaCroix. I'm going to read it, and then we're going to hear how he coached this person to deliver. Is there anything sweeter than to be in love? It's been widely accepted that there are 7 wonders of the world. The Great Pyramids of Giza, the Great Wall of China, the Taj Mahal, to name a few. I contend there are actually 8. The instantaneous, spine-tingling, chain reaction induced when a man meets a woman and a connection is made. We call it attraction. Is there any more thing more wondrous to experience? Take yourself back to when that happened. Do you remember your first childhood crush? Okay, now let's hear the revised speech. Would you like to create more love in your life? Well, over the next 30 minutes, you will be exposed to universal laws that are designed to manifest more love in your relationships and all aspects of your lives. And when we talk about love, there's many different types of love we can experience, right? There's a roller coaster of romantic love, that instantaneous, spine-tingling chemical reaction induced when 2 people meet and a connection is made. We call that an attraction. Is there anything more wondrous we can experience? Do you remember your first childhood crush, Mike? You. Okay, that's how he coached them. Does anybody know how many yous and yours were said?
So, 11.
6.
You already know. Only my wife would give the answer. I want you to count the yous and the yours. And how many yous and how many yours are in there? Would you like to create more love in your life? Over the next 30 minutes, you will be exposed to universal laws that are designed to manifest more love in your relationships and all aspects of your lives. And when we talk about love, there's many different types of love that we can experience, right? There's the roller coaster of romantic love, that instantaneous, spine-tingling chemical reaction induced when two people meet and a connection is made. We call that an attraction. Is there anything more wondrous we can experience? Do you remember your first childhood crush? Roz?
6.
7.
4 yours and 2 yous.
How many weeds?
There was a number of we's. Yeah.
Okay, we're just focusing on the yous and yours. You have it correct, Sarah. Try to add more yous, people's names, use them, get to know people's names, and you'll have a more impactful speech.